Today we are going to be looking at setting up an emergency contact for our employee record. Now to do this we are going to simply go and find our employee's record. We are going to enter our HR tab. This might be called carer or staff on various people's systems, however this is the area where we're going to find our employee details. Clicking into HR, employee and find. We're going to drill into Susan Bryant's record here. To do this, we just click onto the arrow to the left of their name and it allows us to drill into the record. Moving on through here to add an emergency contact against Susan Bryant, we are going to move to our quick links, which is the area that is currently highlighted in a yellow warning triangle. This is essentially saying that some information is required to be input here. So clicking into emergency contacts, it brings us through to this window here. To add a new record, simply press the plus button on the right hand side. This now pulls us through to the emergency contact information. At the top we have the type drop down box, which is essentially referring to what type of emergency contact they might be. For example, we could have next of kin daughter, next of kin father, etc. For this example, I'm going to select husband or wife, and we're going to call their husband Sam Bryant. If the address information matches that of the employee's record up here, we can click this linked information here, and it simply pulls through the details of Susan Bryant's address. The same goes if we want to pull through the same information for contact details for Susan Bryant. If they are the same for Sam Bryant, we can also click the linked box here. If they differ, we will need to specify and we will need to type in the address details and contact information accordingly. The special instructions at the bottom is essentially just a text field. For example, we could have working at night. This is to ensure that we are knowledgeable that Sam Bryant will possibly be unavailable to be contacted during the evenings as he'll be working. In the middle here we have a spell check, which is just to check that everything within this special instructions text box is spelt correctly. Once we've worked through this particular emergency contact, we can click the floppy disk at the bottom right hand corner to save the record. We have now completed the emergency contacts. To click back into the employee's record, we can now see that the orange warning triangle has been populated by a green tick. This is to say that information has been successfully placed against this field. This is how we set up an employee's emergency contact.